So as you saw, I'm using sausages from a big breakfast that I had from before. You can use sausages, hot dogs, anything you like really, some Franks, whatever. Blue cheese, oh, it's a stinker. I love blue cheese. If you don't like blue cheese, you probably want to get away from this video right now. But this is delicious. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Sausage, blue cheese, cream, garlic, pasta. Wah wah wee wah. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So, sausages left over from a big breakfast that I made. Now you can use sausages. These are a pork Cumberland. You can use any type of sausage you want. You can even use hot dogs, up to you. Onion, sliced. Cream, about 250 ml of cream. I'm using a thick cream. You can use thick or thin. It will work out just the same. Nice heaped tablespoon of garlic there. 2 teaspoons here of dried tarragon. Now you could use oregano, basil, thyme, up to you. Go where you want with it. And here we've got some blue cheese. I've got some Stilton here. There's about 100 grams. Get yourself a nice stinky blue cheese. Nice and strong. Beautiful stuff. That's about it. And of course, pasta. I'm using fusilli today, so get that ready because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce and then throw the pasta in at the end. Delicious. Okay, so frying pan here, as you can see. I've got some olive oil in there, just heating that up. Let's get in that onion, sliced onion. This is very, very easy. In goes the garlic, chopped garlic. Don't be shy with your garlic. Salt. Some black pepper, in that goes. So as you can hear, we're on a kind of above medium heat, not full blast, but fairly lively. I'm going to be back in just 3 minutes. Keep it moving. So that's just 3 minutes. The onions and garlic are coming together nicely. We're now going to drop in our sausage. And like I say, this is a pork Cumberland sausage that I had left over from a very, very big breakfast that we made. But hot dogs also work. You get some frozen Franks or something like that. Or some kind of, type of other sausage. Up to you. Going to drop in that little bit of tarragon, which I think is really lovely in this. And also tarragon, I think, is just really underused. We don't use it as much as I think we should. It's a beautiful herb. About another 3 or 4 minutes, guys, on this lively heat. Keeping it moving. We're not far off at all. This is going to be done in no time. So we're at the final stage of this delicious, simple recipe. We're going to add that cream. Like I say, 250 ml. I'm using thick. You can use thin. It will make no difference whatsoever. To that, we're going to add our blue cheese, which is going to give it its big, big flavor. Just breaking this in. Oh, that's stinky and lovely. 2 minutes on the high heat. Keep it moving. We want that cheese to melt and blend into the cream and the sausage. Oh yes, fabulous. Okay, get your pasta, cooked pasta. In it goes. I'm using fusilli. 2 minutes. Let's get some of that sauce all over that pasta. I'll see you at the table. Absolutely divine. Okay, and there you go. That is absolutely beautiful. Stinky, stinky cheese. Really, really, really delicious. That is, if you like blue cheese. If you don't like blue cheese, that is a nightmare, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Helps us out a great deal. And leave a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.